All right, so today we're taking a look at what might be the best leather case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, and it has one awesome feature that I think all S26 Ultra cases have to adopt. And today we are taking a look at the bull strap case for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Now, huge shout out to Bullstrap for sending these over to me to review for you guys. The price on this case is $89, but you know I got you with that discount code. Use code Brian15, save yourself 15% off of Bullstrap's website. So let's go ahead and take a look. Now, starting off, we have this new packaging by Bullstrap, which I'm not sure what happened to mine. This must be some USPS thing, but I don't know if the driver got hungry or they got into a fight with a cat or something. But look at all these scratches and stuff on my boxes. These are brand new cases. I mean, this thing looks like it's been through a war. But anyways, very nice presentation nonetheless by Bullstrap. You just get the packaging and it says what case it is here. You open it up and you're greeted with a little paper that says enjoy your journey. Very nice. We do have our case. This is the slate color, by the way. We'll take a look at all of them. We get the usual sticker that we get from Bullstrap as well as the warranty card. You scan that and activate that lifetime warranty, which we will talk about that in a second. They got the best warranty in the game. And then last but not least, you got this tag that you remove it and it becomes officially your case. So let's go ahead and set all of this off to the side here real quick. And let's take a look at the case. Now, so like I said, this is going to be the slate color. This is going to be a full grain leather case. You are getting a metal camera ring area right there, as well as metal standalone clicky buttons. Very nice. As soon as you open a Bullstrap case, if you don't know, now you know. You gotta smell it. And I mean, once you open that box, that black box that it comes in, it is an absolute leather factory. You smell it immediately. It's strong, it's pungent, and it smells amazing. Love the way that a Bullstrap case feels and smells. So, like I said, yes, full grain leather. This is going to be the top quality leather right here on this Bullstrap case. Going to the inside, you're getting this very nice microfiber material. Does say Bullstrap, and you are getting that full grain leather going all the way around the inside of your case. And as well as your buttons do have that same microfiber material on them, so the metal buttons don't scratch up the buttons on your phone. Right now, let's go ahead and bring over the scale, the caliper. You guys know what it is, man. Go ahead and set that down, 40 grams on the Bullstrap. And then going from front to back, we're looking at 11.9 millimeters. And then inside to outside, we are looking at 2.3 millimeters. So right on par with a lot of other leather cases. Unfortunately, there's not a huge leather market for Samsung phones or for the Galaxy S26 Ultra, at least especially. You know, I really wish there was more, but I'm really glad Bullstrap came with one. And especially this one feature that I'm going to show you guys really soon is an absolute game changer. But for right now, let's go ahead and take that white S26 Ultra, put it in here, and listen out for the click. Very good click onto this case. One thing about a Bullstrap case is you're going to get that full grain leather all the way around, but the inside of it is a polycarbonate shell. So it does give you some drop protection, and it is going to keep its form factor and be nice and rigid the whole time. So this is what we're looking like, guys. Now, one thing we know with this cutout, I really do wish it was a little bit more clean to where it was around the actual camera lenses and then these be individual. But I understand because it's leather and polycarbonate, it might be a little bit more difficult to mold or whatever the case may be. But this is what you are looking like, guys, with the back of the phone. You do have your Bullstrap logo there. So taking a look at the fit, one thing we always have is a good fit from Bullstrap. Same thing with this one right here around your buttons. It is going to be a tiny bit more loose. Bottom is pretty good. Top is pretty good. This corner, 1, okay, good. Let's try this one. 2, 3, and 4. Good fit on all 4 corners. Nothing to really complain about. Let's go ahead and bring over our microfiber, clean off all this stuff. I am using a full coverage tempered glass screen protector, and we are actually getting a pretty decent screen lip on this case, which I love to see because leather cases are not really meant to be protective, but this one you can set down on its front. And, you know, you should be good on most surfaces. Then looking at your camera protection, you do get a pretty good camera protection lip right there. So you can set this down on just about any surface and you'll be fine. But as I always say, this is full grain leather. It's going to show your scratches, your nicks, your dings, all that stuff. In my opinion, I always say this, I think it builds character, but not everybody may like that. So if you're worried about that, just know that this is full grain leather, so if you do set it down on stuff, it may show some wear and tear. And of course, it's going to show a beautiful patina as you hold it and as you use it and it lives on your phone over time. But yeah, guys, that's that. Looking around the sides, on the top, you just have your microphone hole. On the left-hand side, nothing. The bottom, you do have your S Pen, your speaker, your USB Type-C, and your microphone, which you know we got to test out that S Pen. You can get your fingernail in there easily. Very nice. Love to see that. And let's make sure it has no magnetic interference. Now, this one especially you want to make sure, which I'm doing it right here live on camera, because of, again, that one feature. I'm leading up to it here very, very shortly. And like I said, it is a game changer. So yes, no magnetic interference at all when it comes to this case. And then on this side, the right-hand side, you're going to have your power button, volume up and down. Metal, stainless steel buttons, standalone. Let's listen to how they sound. Very nice, very clicky buttons. They're literally perfect buttons. They protrude out a very nice bit, and I love to see that. Now, finally, let's move on to that one feature that this case has that all cases for the S26 Ultra should have. And for that, I'm gonna bring over my magnet paper. So, as you guys can see, this magnetic alignment looks a little bit different than certain other cases. For example, let me bring over another case here. This is also another S26 Ultra case, and you see how it's like this on this case, right? Same thing if I bring over just a MagSafe battery pack, that's the magnet alignment. Well, coming back to the bull strap, it's a little bit larger, and that's gonna be because you have actually two magnets on this case. One is for charging, one is for accessories. Let me explain. So I'm gonna skip the MagSafe wallet for right now, and we're just gonna bring over the Apple MagSafe battery pack, right? So if I attach it to the bottom set of rings, it's not charging. You're not getting any charging here because the bottom magnet is made for your accessories. It's made for something like your MagSafe wallet. You attach that and you are able to use it perfectly without interference of your camera. But if you want to charge it, let's say you want to use a charging attachment, the second higher set of magnets is right there. And as you guys can see, we are charging right here. So it sits up a tiny bit higher, but then you can just move it down to these magnets. Sometimes you got to catch it there for a second and you're good to go. It just stores it there. Or you can just bring it right back up and there you go, you're charging. And then bringing over the Anker 623, you can attach that. And here's the thing, these magnets are a little bit on the weaker side. So they're still gonna work with your nightstand chargers, your car mounts and all that. Like I said, it'll still work, but just be careful with your car mounts, especially going over a pothole, because of the phone not having magnets built in and because it's polycarbonate and leather, it's a thick material. So the magnetic strength isn't going to be as great, but it's gonna work just fine, as you guys can see right here with your wallets, right? You can attach it to one set of magnets or the other. You can do the same thing with the MagSafe battery pack. You can attach it here, or you can attach it to the lower set and it's not charging, and they're fine, right? It's just with your car mount specifically is where I would be a little bit more careful. But otherwise, I love the fact that these have that magnet array. It's going to allow you to really use those accessories, and when you don't want to use it, you can drop it on the lower set of magnets and it won't interfere with your camera lenses, which I really love. Like I said, Samsung didn't think about us when it came to the magnets this year, so they still got this big old camera section. They got all that. As you guys see, a whole bunch of cases, the battery packs and the wallets sometimes stick off a little bit. Well, I love that the bull strap case solves that issue. I do wish the magnets were just a little bit stronger, but I'll still take it because of how convenient that is. So that leads me into what do I think? B, what do you think about the bull strap case for the S26 Ultra? I absolutely love it. I was actually lucky enough last year with the S25 Ultra to get a little bit of a prototype model from Bullstrap when they first introduced this, and I just didn't say anything really too much. I did say it in one of my live streams, which I do live stream sometimes on Fridays. If you're interested in watching that, check out the channel. Sometimes on Fridays we go live, but I talked about it and people were really, really interested in it, and I really cannot recommend it more because of how great and how thoughtful that is, where some accessories do end up blocking camera rings, whereas on the Bullstrap case, you do not have to worry about that. So I absolutely love it. Not a pinky destroyer at all. Feels very comfortable. The great leather feel. As soon as you take it out of the box, like I said, you get that smell. Give it a few hours, a few days. You'll really develop a good grip on it from a little bit of the patina and some of your finger oils getting on it. And all around, it's a fantastic case. Would I love to see the price come down a little bit? of course, but it's a bull strap case. It's always around 89, 99 bucks. However, you are getting the one thing that also a lot of other case companies don't do, and that is bull strap's warranty. Anything happens to your case whatsoever, get in touch with Bullstrap. They'll send you a brand new one for free. All you got to do is pay like $5 shipping. It's really not, I mean, when you're already spending 89 bucks on a case, and you don't have to worry that if anything ever happens to it, just get in touch with them and you basically get a new one for free. So I love that they do have really the best warranty in the case game. So let's take a look at some of these colors, right? So this is going to be the slate. You also have black, ocean, Terra, and sienna. So it's going to come in a few different color options. You can really choose one that'll really look very good with your S26 Ultra. In my opinion, my favorites for the white are going to be the slate, the black, and the ocean. I think those look amazing with the white, but they'll look great with any of the other colors, as will any of the other phone colors look great with all these cases. I'm a very big fan of this case. I'm very happy with it. I love the dual MagSafe feature. Good clicky buttons, nice camera protection, still a good screen lip for a leather case, which is very important. And all around, it feels really, really good in the hand to use. Feels very premium. I know it's a little bit of a high price tag, but when you actually get this case, when you use a bull strap, you understand the quality and the level of quality of the leather that you're paying for, and it makes paying the price a little bit better. But that's going to be that, guys. Let me know what you think about the bull strap case down in the comments below. Make sure you guys like the video and subscribe to the channel. That goes a really long way for me and allows me to make these kinds of videos for you. And if you guys want to see another really good leather case, I'll leave that video right here. But if you want to see the best accessories that you can get for the S26 Ultra, that video is going to be right here.